How to change time zone on Samsung Smart TV. So from your main home screen, go to Settings and then choose All Settings option. From here, go to General and Privacy. Now, from here, scroll down below and then go ahead and select the option of time. Now, you'll see the option of clock mode. If you set it to manual, you can set date and time according to your preferences. You can set the time zone according to your preferred location. Or else, if you choose the option of auto on clock mode, the date and time will be set automatically according to your current region or location. So this is the only way through which you can change your time zone on Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.